Jurors have now put Holmes one step closer to death. The decision announced from Centennial, Colorado, from this courtroom actually just moments ago. Holmes was convicted back on July 16th on all 165 counts against him. It was July of 2012. He murdered 12 people and wounded 70 others when he opened fire when all those people were in that theater, the midnight showing of The Dark Knight. In this phase 2 of the penalty phase, the jury had to answer one question. So let's talk about this with CNN legal analyst Danny Sovalos. But first to my colleague Sarah Seidner there in Centennial, Colorado, following this process for us. Sarah, first just set me up. Tell me what has just happened.
What is happening actually right now, it's still happening. There are 24 counts here of murder, and I want to explain that a bit because it does sound confusing. There were 12 people killed, but yet 24 counts of murder that the jury has already found him guilty on. Now they're looking at mitigating factors and whether those play a role in whether or not they're going to go on to the next phase, which will be deciding whether or not he could be faced with the death penalty. What we have found out now is that they are now on count 21. So far, every single count, up to count 21, which the judge is reading just now, the jury has said that the mitigating factors do not outweigh the aggravating factors. And what that means is that this case will now go on, the sentencing part of this case will now go on to phase 3, where the jury will look again at whether or not he deserves the death penalty as opposed to life in prison without the possibility of parole. What we will hear in this third phase is the victim impact statements. It is going to be, for sure, a very emotional time. We're expecting to hear about 12 to 15, not sure just how many, but between 12 and 15 people who will come and give their statements about what this incident, what this attack, this terrifying attack did to them, whether it's someone who lost a loved one and can never see them again or hear their voice, or whether it's someone who was injured in the attack, who was gravely injured in the attack, who was hurt, who is still dealing with the pain of the attack. We expect to hear from 12 to 15 of those people in this next phase of the trial, and then the jury will look at all that they have seen and heard, and they will decide whether or not James Holmes will be put to death in phase 3.